Hi guys, what's up? I'm Anu Karthik. Today we are going to see the top 8 biggest empires in history. From 661 to 750 CE, its capital was Damascus. At its greatest extent, it covered 11.1 billion square kilometers or 4.3 billion square miles. Abbasid Caliphate. From 566 to 653 CE, again 750 to 1258 CE. They ruled Middle East, Western Asia, and Northeast Africa, including Egypt. Second French Empire was the Imperial Bonapartist region of Napoleon III from 1852 to 1870. He ruled from Paris. His rule is credited with rebuilding Paris with broad boulevards and striking public buildings. Spanish Empire from 15th to 19th century, known as the Empire of which the sun never sets. They ruled Europe, America and Oceania from Madrid. Qing Dynasty. They ruled China from 1636 to 1912. It was succeeded by the Republic of China. They ruled from Peking. Russian Empire from 1721 to 1917. Extended over Europe, Asia and North America. They ruled from St. Petersburg. After the February Revolution in 1917, Republic of Russia came into existence. Mongol Empire of the 13th and 14th centuries was the largest contiguous land empire in history. This empire emerged under Genghis Khan. It had 24 billion square kilometers in 1309. British Empire. At its height, it was the largest empire in history and for a century was the foremost global power. By 1913, 23% of world population was under its control. It covered 24% of Earth's total land area, which is 35 billion square kilometers. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.